Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the microphone from a Dell Latitude 12 version 7275. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Remove back cover assembly screws. Use fingers to separate and remove back cover. Now remove battery screws. Then disconnect and remove battery. Then disconnect and remove microphone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.